on, everybody? Alex here. I was just wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to transfer a domain name into your account. A couple of reasons why this is going to be good is you're going to have everything under one area. You're going to be able to manage your name servers and kind of point everything where you need to, and you'll be able to renew this every year. Pretty much take care of everything from here, your back end. So to transfer a domain name, you probably have it with another registrar, Network Solutions, whoever it may be. What you need to do, all the everyone's different with how they allow you to do this. I'll show you how you do it in our backend, but it's going to be a little bit different for yours. But there's a couple different steps to transferring a domain name. Some steps you do here, some steps you do there. So first, what we're going to do is purchase the domain name transfer. So under here, domains, we're going to go to transfer domains. Now, like I said, you're going to have to do multiple steps. The process could take 5 days. It could be very fast. It just depends on the registrar. So, you type your domain name that you have registered elsewhere here. And you would say, hey, yeah, go. We want to transfer this. You would go forward with purchasing the transfer and everything like that. Once you're done with that, now what you're going to do is go to your other registrar, or your soon-to-be old registrar. You're going to go in the domains area. You're going to unlock the domain, and you're going to request the authorization code. So I'll show you how to do that with our system. Like I said, each other system is different. Another thing that you're going to need is the security code and the transaction ID. These, once you make this purchase, these are emailed to the administrative email on the domain. So that should be you, and you should get that email as well, and you'll kind of use all that information to make the transfer. So like I said, after we would purchase this, you would go to your other registrar. So I'm going to show you how you would do that in here with us. So we're going to go to Manage My Domains. And like I said, your other registrars are going to be different, but you just have to pretty much get to the domains area, click on the domain, and depending on how it is, you want to unlock the domain name. So right now this is set for lock. I would go in here, set it to unlock, and click OK. What that does is it allows it to be transferred to another registrar. The next thing you want to do is request your authorization code. So you click here where it says email me my authorization code. Like I said, what that's going to do is that's going to also send the authorization code to the administrative email address on file. So that would be this email for this one. So in this email, you should receive, the transaction ID and the security code, which are from your new registrar, from us. And you'll also need to get the authorization code, which is going to be from your other registrar. Once you have all that information, you're going to come back in here into your domains area for your new registrar, aka us. Go into your domains area, but there's not going to be anything right here. You have to go to domains, transfers. Now, in transfers, you'll see a domain name here, pending inbound transfers. That's your domain. So you would check the checkbox next to it, and you would click authorize transfer. Now, that's going to pop up. It's going to say, hey, what's the transaction ID and what's the security code? Like I said, these are the codes that you received from us. So, you would add those in here, transaction ID, security code, click OK. The next code you would need is the authorization code. That's the one you're going to get from your other registrar. Paste that in there, click Next, click OK, accept the terms of service, and that's pretty much it. Now, like I said, it takes about 5 days for this to go through. Some registrars let you expedite that process, though. So just depending on who you use, you can go into their domain area, or you can call their technical support, say, hey, I'm trying to transfer this domain, could you push it through? So if we were in here and I was transferring a domain name away and we did all those steps, what I would do to make the transfer go faster, in outbound transfers, you would just go in here, check the checkbox, and say, accept. And that's going to make you not have to wait the 5 days. It'll transfer immediately. So that's pretty much it. The problems people commonly run into when transferring a domain name is, one, they may not have access to that email address, which that's something you're definitely going to need, or two, it's a recently purchased domain name. Domain name can't be transferred within 30 or 60 days from when it's purchased. I believe it's 90 days, actually. So you're gonna have to wait that time frame, and then you can transfer it. When you transfer a domain name, it adds a year onto the length of the domain name. So if we purchased that and we transferred it, it would be, extended a whole nother year. Um, and that's pretty much it. If you have any, questions about any type of transfer or anything like that, you can always talk to our technical support team or the technical support team at your old registrar, and they'll help you transfer your domain name. They'll help you, get those authorization codes or unlock the domain name or do the things you need to do to transfer the domain name to us. And that's going to be pretty much it. So that's the process. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can definitely reach out to us and give us a call, or reach out to us through our technical support area on our website. We'd be more than happy to help you transfer your domain name and kind of get that process rolling. So that's it. Good luck, and we're looking forward to working with you and building your website.